It was September of 2023. It was a little over a year ago. My biggest concerns definitely immediately were my freedom. I was really concerned about losing my job at the time as well. So I think financial concerns as well as freedom would have been the biggest.
If you've been charged with assault, you are clearly confused and emotional, right? Oftentimes assault cases arise out of emotional interaction that you had with someone, whether it's a loved one or someone else. And so it's important to talk to someone who can kind of lower the temperature and give you a sense of how the case is going to proceed, what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing. One of the biggest mistakes when someone's charged with assault is trying to go it alone, trying to handle the case yourself. You know, sometimes you think you can just explain what happens to the police, you can explain what happened to the prosecutor, and it'll go away. I will tell you, prosecutors take assault cases extremely seriously. This is not something that you can handle yourself or should handle yourself. You absolutely need someone who has experience in the area of law that you're being charged with. Ideally, you want someone who actually has experience as a prosecutor like Colin and I do. It's so important to have someone who has that perspective because that puts you in a position where we know how the prosecution is putting together their case, and therefore we know how to take that case apart.
If I was going to describe the firm, I would say that they are modern, innovative, and responsible. I felt like I was prepared days before I went to court. I was never worried about where I needed to go or what I needed to do. I just felt that I was very well represented.
So if you're not sure if you want to hire a criminal defense attorney because maybe you think you can't afford a criminal defense attorney, call a criminal defense attorney. We offer free consultations. We're not going to charge you anything if you want to come and get some advice, and we'll give you good advice. Come talk to us because we can likely help, and even if we can't, you still get some good advice.